Hello guys, welcome back. So we have already seen how to use ngFor with HTML table tag, Angular, ng template and so on. So in this video we'll see ngFor with other HTML elements. So let's go. And as of now my app is running on localhost 4200 and I have a title hello world app. So let's first let me show you how to use UL tag. So this is the unordered list. So I say li, this is the child tag of unordered list, and here I use ngFor ngFor is equal to let car of collection of cars. So I'll say in the ts file I have collection of cars. So collection of cars is nothing but an array of three objects. I have this one first object, second object, third object. Okay, Audi, BMW, and Benz name. Okay, so I say car dot name. I display car dot name and car dot price. Let me see what is the output. So we are displaying the three objects in the form of bullet points, that is unordered list. Now we'll try just to give some space. Line after this I have given br slash. Okay, so now we'll take after ul tag we'll see ol tag, which is ordered list. Similar to that, same code. I have li child tag and I say ngFor star ngFor at car collection of cars. Now see what is the output. We are getting the three objects with the numbering, right? Yeah, with the numbering. And after this, now we'll take a if we want drop down, we say select. We use select tag, and select tag has a option as child tag. So that I'll give the same condition star ngFor and I'll say car dot name. I just want car name to be displayed in the drop down. So yeah, Audi, BMW, Benz is being displayed in the drop down. Okay, now now I'll I'll use this. Now my requirement is, say suppose now all the three values have been displayed. I want the default one to be selected and shown in the drop down. Rest all should be collapsed, right? Like now Audi is being defaulted. Uh, Not default, it's just the three values are being displayed and Audi is the first drop down value that is being displayed. But I want BMW, the second value, to be default value in the drop down. So what do I do? I say select option star ngFor let car of collection cars. Just because I am using select tag, I want to select, so selected value to be car dot name is equal to I say BMW. Now if I see, we have a drop down and you can see BMW is being selected by default. Okay, yeah. Next we'll see how to use a list box. It's the same select tag with option as the child tag. I have star ngFor let collection of collection of cars. You can make a drop down list box by just giving the size here. Say the size of list box should be 4. So you can see list box is being displayed with 3 objects in it, and the 4 because it is size 4, you have an extra empty space in the list box. Okay, now you can increase the size of it also, like you can say 5. The list box would be a bit bigger than 4, so you can give whatever size you want. I'm giving 4, that's enough. And the same list box. I want to have a BMW as the selected value. What should I do? I'll use the same code of list box. I want to have selected value as car dot name is equal to BMW. So BMW will be selected by default. Okay, and then note that I am using selected because I am using select tag. This selected won't work for all the HTML tags, so be careful. I am selecting this value by default, so I am using selected attribute. Next, we'll use div tag and say li. I give star ng for let collection. Let car is of collection of cars, and I say input. This time I'm displaying checkbox, so I say type checkbox car dot name. Okay, so you can see checkbox is being displayed. Okay, you can have different other attributes in order to get the value of these checkboxes, okay, later. And then we'll see, next we'll see the radio button. So instead of checkbox, you can say input ngFor let collection of cars, input type radio for radio buttons. And here there is a catch when you're using a radio button. Just like how checkboxes will be selected, radio buttons will also be selected. So this is wrong. The function of radio button is either one of the values should be selected and not all, right? So for that, mandatorily you have to use the name attribute in the input type radio. So there has to be a name for the radio button. So I say, you can give any name you want, so I just say car radio. I can say car radio button. Okay, so just see what happens. It only selects any one of the value. Okay, so that's it. You can use ngFor with other HTML elements also. I have shown you a few examples of it. So I hope you have understood how to use ngFor. So let me summarize. First I used unordered list, then I used ordered list. um, Unordered list gave me bullets and ordered list gave me numbers. Then I used check drop down, and then I used selected drop down, and then I used list box selected, then I used selected list box, then checkbox, then radio button. So these are the things I use. There are some more HTML tags you can try with. Just go through these and try with other HTML elements also. That's it. Thank you.